In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Metabase. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to move your workspace to a higher plan with additional features and storage, all without disrupting your existing dashboards, questions, or data connections. Before we start, a quick note on access. You'll need billing or admin permissions for your workspace to make changes to the subscription. It also helps to have your payment method handy if you're moving to a paid tier. If you share billing responsibilities, make sure the right person is available to confirm the change. Let's begin by heading to the Metabase Store account page in your browser. This is where all subscription management happens. If you're prompted to sign in, use the same credentials or single sign-on your organization normally uses. Double check that you're looking at the correct workspace or organization name so the upgrade applies to the right environment. Once you're on your account page, look for the option labeled Manage Plan. This area shows your current subscription, billing cadence, and any add-ons. If you don't see Manage Plan, it likely means you don't have the necessary permissions in this workspace, so you can ask a billing admin to proceed or to grant you access. Inside the Plan Management view, select Pro plus Storage. This option moves you to the Pro tier and includes managed storage bundled with the plan. Pro is designed for teams that want more control, scalability, and collaboration. Think advanced governance options, higher limits, and features that support growing usage. The included storage is helpful if you rely on features that keep assets or uploads in the cloud, so you don't have to manage that infrastructure yourself. After choosing Pro plus Storage, you'll see a summary page that outlines pricing, the billing cycle, and what's included. Take a moment to review the details, including seats or storage amounts, and make sure everything aligns with your team's needs and budget. If your organization requires approvals or purchase orders, this is a good place to pause and capture the summary for internal review. When you continue, the change is processed and your upgraded plan will take effect shortly. In most cases, you can keep working in Metabase while the plan updates. If you already have Metabase open, refresh your app to see newly available features. You can revisit the same Manage Plan page at any time to view invoices, adjust quantities, or make future changes. That's it. You've upgraded your Metabase plan to Pro plus Storage. If anything looks off or you run into permission or billing issues, reach out to your workspace admin or contact Metabase support from the account portal. Thanks for watching and enjoy the new capability.